My Vendasta success partner suggested I take a look at Max My Customers, and we scheduled a phone call with John Jorgensen to discuss lead generation. I was convinced that their unique approach to emailing 20,000 businesses every week was a good idea. Their database is enormous, and they can target prospects to the specific profile that I asked for in my geographic area. All I can say is wow. Within the first 10 minutes, I had 10 hot leads, and by the end of the day, I had over 20. I started calling these prospects as soon as I got the leads in via email and was amazed on how many answered the phone immediately. By the end of the day, I already had 7 leads in my pipeline. That is fantastic. It usually takes me a couple months to get 7 new hot leads in the pipeline. Thank you, Max My Customers.